Meaning of dam. Dam. Dam.
Dam. Dam. Dam is a noun that refers to a barrier constructed to hold back water, often used for flood control or irrigation purposes. Dams can also be used to generate hydroelectric power and create recreational areas such as lakes. Constructing a dam requires careful planning and engineering to ensure safety and effectiveness. While dams can provide many benefits, they can also have negative impacts on the environment and local communities. It is important to weigh the pros and cons before constructing a dam and properly manage it to minimize any negative consequences.